Hey there! My workshop is about fingerwording. As you know, it's not uncommon to have trouble catching fingerspelled words. Why is that? Well, this workshop is going to look into it. For example, the syllabic cadence of English is different from the syllabic cadence of ASL. That's interesting. Now we have lexical fingerspelling, like job or style. We memorize the way it looks, the way it's articulated. And then at the other end of the spectrum, we have fingerspelled words that are spelled out letter by letter. But what about the part that's in between, the everyday fingerspelling that we see? And that's what this workshop looks into. Come, join us.